Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in. As you join the live, be sure to do two things for me. Share this video out so that others can be aware that we are live. And if you're not following me here on TikTok, be sure to follow me here on TikTok. Also, head to link in my bio to learn more about me and other items that I offer. So tonight is about creating a Halloween invite that will be printed on live tonight as we're working. So for the past 2 weeks, hello 3 Beats. For the past 2 weeks, we have been using Creative Fabrica, going there to find fonts. We went there last week to find clip art, and we also generated some clip art within Chat GPT. So tonight we are going to create our Halloween invite. Now, for those that joined me on last week, and you know who you are, you are inboxing me because I gave this template away for free to see what you could do. Now, let me say this. No one has inboxed me what they have done. So I don't think anyone was able to meet that challenge. So we had that challenge on last week, but I had no one get back to me to say that they were able to do it. So you got your free template, and that was it. But okay, we are